For many years, ARES Machinery Company has been meticulously researching, developing, and manufacturing machine tools, putting out the latest in CNC production centers. With greater stability, speed, and precision, our machines are ready to take your large-scale production needs to the next level. You can immediately see from the entire design concept, appreciation to operation, human interface, and software design. We insist on only the most aesthetically pleasing of products. The brand new A-series machine structure is computer analyzed for rigidity, ensuring optimal cutting and positioning performance. We achieve the highest rigidity and precision by incorporating C3 high precision ball screws and heavy-duty linear guideways. 3-axis rapid transverse can reach up to 48 meters per minute. Z-axis transverse on the BT30 model reaches 60 meters per minute. This ensures optimal speed, load, rigidity, and precision during cutting operations. Exceptionally fast cutting tool changing system effectively reduces response time. The BT30 needs only 1.6 seconds tool-to-tool change, while the BT40 requires only 2 seconds changing cutting tools. The extraordinary characteristics and highly competitive prices mean that the most profitable choice to increase the productivity of your machine. Ergonomic design concept ensures safe, easy, and efficient operation, maximizing economical, high-capacity production. High speed and an ultra-rigid direct drive spindle increase workability. Whether the workpieces be milled or drilled, outstanding precision results are achieved on all curved surfaces. ARES Machinery Company is committed to researching, designing, and supplying the R&D and supply of optimally designed machine tools with excellent service. The A-Series is your best choice for the latest, fastest, and most efficient line of machining centers possible.